Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial. My name is Ben and you are watching Ben Daily Tips. Today we are going to uninstall Google Chrome on Windows 7. Let's get started. First you should click on Start menu on Windows 7, find Control Panel. And here we are in Control Panel, we have Programs and Uninstall Program, click on it. You can search for Google Chrome and should right click on Google Chrome and hit uninstall. Here we have this window. If you want to delete your browsing data, you can check this option. And if you want to change your default browser after uninstalling Google Chrome, you can select it. For now, I want to delete browsing data and click uninstall. And wait for it, and Google Chrome is uninstalled from your computer. That's it guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.